Welcome back to 6 News at 6 on this Friday night. Starting off not by talking about your Friday night or your weekend, really. We're going to start talking about a weather impact alert that we're issuing for late Sunday into Monday morning. You can see the best time frame for potentially strong to severe thunderstorms. We got it there about 6 to 12 in the morning there Monday morning. So unfortunately, that does include your morning commute. So that's one of the things we're talking about with this is the threat for severe weather right now. It's looking a little iffy, but at the end of the day, if we get anything, it's going to happen during your morning commute, so it's going to be a messy drive. So, of course, we want to keep you aware and up to date with everything that's going on. The threats we have here are gusty winds, isolated tornado threat, and flooded roads there as we head through our morning commute there on Monday. So, again, lots to look out for as we start our drive to work on your Monday morning. Make sure you stay weather aware through the weekend because things could change. We could see that severe threat ramp up really throughout the weekend as well. It is there right now, but it's low. But, again, we're looking at some of these ingredients thinking maybe they could increase throughout the weekend, so just make sure that you are staying up to date with 6 Plus app on our streaming devices, or of course with Aviana this weekend on the TV screen. So here's what's going on. Cold front's going to roll through. It's moving through West Texas first, as they do. We're going to see that rain and thunderstorm activity for most of the Permian Basin towards the South Plains there, and then moving in towards the Big Country by Sunday evening. For us, though, we have a chance for some showers and thunderstorms well out ahead of the front. Going to be a little more scattered, not really looking at anything super strong or severe Sunday night. That is going to kick in as we head into the overnight hours. As the front approaches the I-35 corridor, we see things pick up there by about 8, 9 o'clock, moving through the I-35 corridor there about 9, 10 o'clock, and then everything is gone by the time we get to about noon or 1. So it's a fast-moving system, but we could see heavy rainfall at times. That's why there's a little bit of a flooding threat. There's also a lot of spin in the atmosphere. I told you earlier the ingredients weren't looking super great right now for the severe weather. What I was talking about is that energy available. There's going to be plenty of spin. We get a little more energy, we could be talking those strong to severe thunderstorms. And we're talking mainly gusty winds. You saw it's going to come through as a line. That's typically what we're looking at there. There is also a low tornado threat as we head into Monday morning, though, because as I said, there's a lot of spin in the atmosphere that morning. So a lot to work with there. So we're going to see what happens with that. Make sure you stay up to date and keep in mind that that is a possibility for early Monday morning. As far as the rainfall associated with the system, 1/4 to an inch up to about an inch. That's widespread, though, right? Locally, some pockets could see heavier rainfall than that. That's why we, again, want to make sure that you are aware of the potential for flooded roads again on your Monday morning commute. Not today. 74 out there, plenty of blue sky. Started off the day at 35, very chilly. Right now we're in the low to mid 60s on this Friday evening as you're heading out to those football games. Make sure you pack a light jacket. For the overnight hours, not quite as cold as it was this morning, but still right around 50 degrees when you wake up. For tomorrow, a little closer to 80, and then by Sunday, even a little closer to 80 than that. And then Monday, that's when those showers and thunderstorms come through. Won't cool off a whole lot after that, but by Wednesday, a second cold front could knock us back into the 60s. Don't forget you can download your 6 Plus app on the Fire TV, Apple TV, and your Roku devices as well.